Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about best network marketing training for beginners online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Network marketing is all about the learning process. Although there are some short-term programs that claim to teach you all you need to know in a few weeks, most training programs take months or even years before you can start making money. However, you don't have to be a long time into the industry before you can learn and get your feet wet. You need to make sure you get enough quality training to get you started. In order to find the best network marketing training for beginners, you need to do your research. First of all, you should check out the online forums and blogs on the internet. You can find them all at your local search engine or browse through the website of the sponsoring company. One of the best ways to find the perfect training program is to read reviews about it from a reputable source. This will give you a better idea of how good the product really is and how the program will benefit you. Once you have all the right information, you can start applying the training. To get started, you can find free online network marketing courses at sites like ours. These sites offer you a complete package with all the materials you need to learn how to make money in network marketing. One of the materials included in the program is a study guide to help you get started. You can also access the materials through our site's study guide. The study guide also includes helpful tips and resources to help you understand the basics of network marketing. This makes it easier for you to understand and apply the information and learn from others who have already been there and done that. It can also be helpful if you have someone else to help you learn the material, so you have someone you can ask questions about how to do certain things or ask questions and learn from a trained and qualified person. They will help you practice and perform tasks that you are unfamiliar with so you can learn the proper way to go about it. Many of the study guides that we provide can be accessed online and used to supplement the course you enroll in. This is why you need to make sure you are getting a full package when you make your decision on which program to choose. If you don't want to do a course in person, you can use an online resource that offers a free online course. These are usually courses that give you the fundamentals of network marketing in a structured way. These are usually very useful for someone who wants to get started right away without the hassle of traveling to a college campus. Find the right program for you and start learning right away. Network marketing training for beginners. Find out what works for you. A lot of people know that you can learn how to earn money online from the internet. But few really know what to do next when they get there. As a leader in the industry, you may have advice for them to get started. Most of them say, learn on your own how to make money online, or go online and look for something. Today there are a lot of sites where you can learn how to be successful in the network marketing business. However, most people don't know that there are already thousands of ways to learn how to be successful and how to make money online. When you know that, it will help you make decisions. A lot of people still think that there is only one way to earn money online, which is with network marketing. They think that because there are many sites like this, there is no way to be successful. If they really did their research, they would see that most sites will offer you the same information they did. You will just need to choose a good one and you will be on your way to becoming successful. The best network marketing training for beginners that I found was a free online network marketing course PDF. This is available in a lot of different sites for free. But you have to pay a small fee if you want the whole course. The advantage of this course is that you can learn everything at your own pace and anytime. This is the best way to learn about network marketing and become successful. This course is much better than the other free online network marketing courses. The best thing about this one is that you can access it anytime. There is no limit on the number of times you can take it. In this software, you will learn how to market online, become an affiliate, find your niche and learn everything about affiliate marketing, including the education software. Most of the time you can learn everything in just one day. It really is the best learning site for anyone who wants to earn money online. In this complete guide, you will learn how to search for products, find your niche, learn how to promote your product, find out what kind of products will sell and how to convert products into money. It also explains the basics of affiliate marketing. It will give you a feel for the business. Learning the business is the first step in the process of becoming successful. However, getting the marketing part can be very hard to learn. You need to do your research and also see if the program is suitable for you. When you choose the best network marketing training for beginners for your computer, you will see that it provides you with what you need to learn to become successful in the business. After you decide whether you want to take it or not, you will be surprised to see that you don't need to do anything to get started. You just need to sit back and let the software do the work for you. The best network marketing training for beginners is a free online network marketing course PDF. This course will teach you everything you need to know. It will provide you with everything you need to become successful and continue your journey into the internet marketing business. This is the best network marketing training for beginners and it will teach you everything you need to know to succeed in the business. You will be successful and you will start making money online with the help of this course. How to start with network marketing training for beginners online. There are many ways of earning money on the internet and one of the best options is network marketing. It can take you as much as $5,000 a month that too with a small startup investment. In this article, we are going to talk about how to get started with network marketing and how you can reach your financial goals through online networking marketing. The best way to find a company offering training modules for network marketing is to search on Google. There is also a company called Monster who offers a great network marketing training course that will give you all the knowledge required to start. The material of the training course has been designed by a well-known speaker in the field of internet marketing. So if you want to learn the ins and outs of network marketing, you can expect this program to meet your expectations. There are many companies that offer training to help you with your business plan, but you need to be careful when choosing. Network marketing training should be able to help you with the task of starting a business, your first and most important goal, so that you will be able to start making money online. This program should teach you how to conduct seminars, build your network of affiliates and make sales. It also provides you with the correct strategies for taking advantage of the power of the internet to achieve your goals and needs. In order to do this, you need proper advice and guidance. This course should also be cost-effective. If you will be using the seminar materials and working from home, then you will need additional tools. There are several organizations available that offer training courses. They offer you training in the way of business network marketing, but they also offer other courses such as increasing your online traffic and many more. If you want to find the right organization for the services offered by you, do not just look at the price, but also look at the quality of the training program. This is because these programs can be very expensive. If the training materials are really cheap, they will not be that useful. Now, if you have already done the research and decided to enroll for the best network marketing training for beginners online, then you can begin with the study material and the presentation of it to your mentors. Since this program covers almost everything you need to know, you can use this material to start your business. You will also need some training to help you out with the presentation of the online training course. In order to make yourself look like a good trainer, you need to have your own website. So, that is the first step. To help you get started with the online training course, you also need to create your own website. This will help you generate your own membership base and eventually build a network of affiliates to earn more from your venture. By doing this, you can begin your online training course and increase your online traffic while building a profitable business from home. And once you are up and running, you can even have a newsletter list to promote your products and services, and you can even help other companies in the same field to sell their products too. How to learn the best network marketing training for beginners online. The best network marketing training for beginners online is the next step in your journey to increase your profits from internet marketing. It provides essential knowledge to network marketing effectively and earns big profits. I am going to show you how you can learn this information quickly, easily and affordably. This online course has been designed in such a way that it will help you learn all aspects of internet marketing in an easy way. The learning curve starts off very fast, but there are 2 levels, and these include easy, medium and hard learning. Let me explain further what the 3 levels mean if you are just starting to learn about network marketing. The easy learning level is a level where you learn basic knowledge about marketing and earning money on the internet. It is not compulsory to get to this level, you could easily learn at this level if you want. Once you are past this level, you could decide to continue or move on to the medium level where you learn more about internet marketing. This level is very important because it helps you get to know about the different tools you use while working with internet marketing. The second level is hard learning, where you learn to leverage your talent, skills, and knowledge. Most of the time we spend most of our time learning things at the very beginning when we just start. But this is the most important stage to start. Once you have learned enough, you can move on to the next level. The third level is the free online network marketing courses. This is the stage where you will be guided in a step-by-step process to promote your products or services and generate revenues with your online business. When you learn about marketing on the internet, you realize that you have to be aggressive to make your products stand out and gain a market share. You have to choose a topic with a product you like to start marketing with your product. Once you have chosen your topic, you should take the time to research it and decide whether it is a profitable topic. I have to say that once you choose your topic, you will be given free online network marketing courses to choose from. Usually, you have to learn how to develop the product, its marketing strategy, and use various techniques to attract new customers. I am sure you can think of several topics you would love to learn about. For the free online network marketing course, you will have to submit a research document and provide some information about your topic. This includes details about your product, product description, product information, your marketing plan, etc. Also, there are some modules you must pass before you can register with the network marketing course and start the business. These modules are SEO, search engine optimization, conversion rate optimization, pricing, marketing fundamentals, marketing metrics, email marketing, monitoring system, marketing processes, and etc. As you can see, it is easy to register with these online courses and start your work. I encourage you to register for one of these free online network marketing courses and start to make money online. Thanks for watching my video about best network marketing training for beginners online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.